We're at the Schindler elevator at an undisclosed location. Let's take a ride on it. And press the button. And now we wait. Oh crap, it's full of traffic. Oh, I can just keep going. Excuse me. I might have to call it again. The access control system's a bit of a faff on these. Oh, it's down in the submarine, as we call it, the underground level. Man, it's stopping on all the floors. Okay, here it comes. Please don't be full of traffic. Okay, it's here. We will send it to 4th, as that is where we are going. Time for some Schindlering. Up it goes. Backing up. That's the end of this.